and gentlemen, on the one hand, India is soaring high. On the other, Pakistan is in self-destruction mode. The Indian Air Force today landed its Rafales, Sukhois, MiG-29s and Jaguars on the Ganga Expressway, a spectacular sight of power, precision and engineering prowess. On the other hand, Pakistan's Air Force is being trolled for fakery. Yes, you heard that right. They posted a video meant to boost the sinking morale of their troops, but they were fact-checked by Elon Musk's fact-checking team at X, formerly known as Twitter. They used visuals of SpaceX launches and video games and tried to pass it off as Pakistani fighter jets. Can you believe that? That Pakistan can sink even that low? While Indian forces are battle ready to avenge Pahalgam, Pakistani forces have turned nannies for terror mastermind Hafiz Saeed. Today, we will reveal the exact location of the Lashkar chief who orchestrated the Pahalgam attack from his hideout in Pakistan. Time is running out for Hafiz Saeed and Asif Munir, like it did for Osama and Qassab. First, let's remind you of how terror is in Pakistan's DNA.
Snakes in Pakistan's backyard. Pak-backed 9/11 attack. US vowed vengeance.
You know, it's like that old story. You can't keep snakes in your backyard and expect them only to bite your neighbors. You know, eventually those snakes are going to turn on whoever has them in the backyard.
Osama hunted down in Pakistan.
Today, at my direction, the United States launched a targeted operation against that compound in Abbottabad, Pakistan. After a firefight, they killed Osama bin Laden and took custody of his body.
26/11 Mumbai attacks. Qassab reveals Pak hand.
काम मतलब क्या है? मतलब ये है कि उधर लोगों को मारना है ना? लोगों को मारना है। हाँ। कौन से लोगों को बोला? जो होएगा।
Now the Pahalgam attack. Hafiz Saeed hides in Lahore.
आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है।
Terroristan's terror truth.
Well, it's an open secret that Asim Munir's strategic asset, the Lashkar chief, is hiding in Pakistan. Now agencies have credible information that ISI moved Hafiz Saeed to a safe house near the highly secure Mia Mir Cant area in Lahore. Satellite imagery shows he is hidden deep in the belly of Pakistan's military fortress, 4 months before the Pahalgam carnage. Saeed lives just off Lahore's highly secure Munir Road near the house of a serving Pak Army commander of 4th Corps. Retired Pakistan Army SSG commandos are working in 3 shifts round the clock to keep Saeed safe. So much so that Pakistan itself admits that yes, we have funded, trained and harbored terror, from Bilawal Ali Bhutto to Khwaja Asif and Muhammad Ishaq Dar. So ladies and gentlemen, the Motorola legitimate question we are asking on the news hour tonight. Snakes in backyard. Pakistan's worst kept secret? That's the question and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, scientist, political commentator, RSN Singh, author, strategic affairs expert. Also joining me tonight, Dr. Hussain Thebo, strategic affairs analyst, Brigadier Waqar Hassan Khan, defense analyst, Uzma Kardar, member of parliament of the PMLN, Maria Iqbal Tarana, general secretary of the human rights wing of the Pakistan People's Party. But let me first go across to Maria Iqbal Tarana. Madam Tarana, I want to ask you, Bilawal Bhutto, Khwaja Asif, Ishaq Dar, all of them have come out and said that terror is the main business of Pakistan. They've done it for 30 years and counting, and the world has seen 9/11, 26/11, Pulwama, they've seen Uri, they've seen Pahalgam, they've seen Osama bin Laden being caught up in Abbottabad. So your secret's not hidden from anybody. You do have snakes in your backyards, as Hillary Clinton once said. Tonight I want to ask you, does Pakistan still have a chance of seeking proof? Don't you know that? The whole world knows your terror factories.
I'm so sad to know that you're manipulating the words of Khwaja Asif and Bilawal and the reality as well as the past as well. If you know the history, actually we have done that work for the government, the superpower who is dealing with your Narendra Modi these days for $130 million contract. So please get your history and reality right, that we have done this work for United States of America, who is very close to India these days, for selling their deals. Their warmongers are awakening again, and you are igniting the war between India and Pakistan. And nobody is allowed to call or compare our Chief of Army Staff with Kassab or with Osama bin Laden. Please, this is a reality that he is a Chief of Army Staff of a sovereign country, Pakistan. You must have some respect, because it's your national channel and you are just telling people that Pakistanis are this and that, the Pakistani Chief of Army Staff or the political governments are being equally criminal, as like America has generated all those enemies against Pakistan, and they wanted to occupy that Afghanistan.
Madam, it isn't me who's saying this about your Pakistan Army Chief. You can ask your own opposition leader. You can ask your own opposition leader, who says that Asim Munir needs to first fight Afghanistan, needs to first get Balochistan in order. पश्तून की पुलिस उन्हें कह रही है, हम जूते की नोक पे रखते हैं तुम्हारी आर्मी चीफ को, और ये हम नहीं कह रहे, ये वो कह रहे हैं. So madam, number one that, but the question here is that you've been doing it for 30 years. Yes, has been an admission, and everybody knows it. After all, Abbottabad, in your backyard, Osama was caught from there only, na? So Shehzad Poonawalla, who in this world does not know that the terror job work is done by Pakistan and has been done for a long time? It's been stated by American leaders from times immemorial.
Please don't
First of all, if I may, Navika,
because I think
if I may, Navika,
you Indians are
Maria Tarana ji, you made a point. Shehzad Poonawalla responding to your point.
First of all the oxymorons I've seen in my life, human rights wing PPP beats them all. It beats driver's license wing of Alcoholics Anonymous. It also beats peaceful jihadi. I mean, this is the biggest oxymoron, that somebody in Pakistan talks about human rights. So irony died 1,000 deaths. Maybe they were cut 1,000 times. But having said that, you have nothing to do with terrorism, and we are misquoting Khwaja Asif. What did Mr. Bilawal Bhutto say? Where was Mr. Osama bin Laden found? What did your former Prime Minister say about Osama bin Laden, that he is Shaheed? Today I challenge you, please condemn Mr. Osama bin Laden and say that he was a terrorist and that our Prime Minister was wrong. In fact, you know that even now Hafiz Saeed, somebody who is the mastermind of terrorist attacks in India, is being kept in the Lahore cantonment area. और देखिए नाविका जी, अभी इससे पहले आपकी जो रिपोर्ट थी, जितनी जिसकी औकात उतना वैसा उसका व्यवहार. वी आर प्रेपिंग विद वॉर गेम्स, दे आर प्रेपिंग विद वीडियो गेम्स. हम चांद पर झंडा लहराते हैं, ये झंडे पर ही चांद को उतारते हैं. मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं, इनको पता है कि अब जो पाकिस्तान के मिलिट्री ऑपरेशंस चल रहे हैं, जो फुल टाइम मिलिट्री प्रैक्टिसेस चल रही है, एवरी डे इट इज कॉस्टिंग देम 15 to 25 million and they have only reserves of $6 billion. That means only in the mobilization their money will be spent, because today look at the reality. The fact is that whatever Pakistan spends on its entire entire defense expenditure we have spent only on buying the new set of Rafales. The fact is that Pakistan's economy is 38-39 lakh crore rupees. Maharashtra's economy is 55 lakh crore rupees. Forget Maharashtra, LIC company has more assets than Pakistan. Anyways, forget that. Today the question is only this. Pakistan में जब से हमारी नेवी ने एक ट्वीट क्या किया, अलग अलग प्रकार की सेंसेशन शुरू हो चुकी है. फड़फड़ाहट, थपथपाहट, कपकपाहट, छटपटाहट और घबराहट, और ये होना भी चाहिए. Thousands of madrasas that are training terrorists have been shut in POK. Good, you should do that. Secondly, we have seen how Hafiz Saeed is now being given extra protection. We have seen how the General Asif Munir and others have sent their family members abroad. Where is Mr. Munir, by the way, madam? Please tell us. There's a stockpiling that is taking place of food supplies. We are seeing army people and soldiers resign en masse. So now they are training some illiterate people to hold weapons and fire. This is the state of Pakistan, and therefore today Pakistan should hear one thing very clearly. हमारे यहाँ पे रश्मि रति है, just 10 seconds more. रश्मि रति में सर्ग 3 में कृष्ण जी ने चेतावनी दी थी. वो कृष्ण जी की चेतावनी आज आप पे लागू होती है कि आपने हित वचन नहीं माना, आपने मूल मैत्री का नहीं जाना, तो लो अब मैं भी जाता हूं, अंतिम संकल्प सुनाता हूं, अब याचना नहीं अब रण होगा, जीवन जय की मरण होगा, तो आप तैयार रहिए क्योंकि अब रण होगा.
Brigadier Waqar Hassan, you find something to laugh about. Yes, even we were very amused when people in Pakistan are writing about Asif Munir and saying that probably he wasn't on top of a tank. It was a chroma background on which he was getting a picture click. Some even said, that 10th day he tried to come out, for 10 days, destination unknown is where Asif Munir was. And I also want to ask you, if your army, if your armed forces are just so powerful, why do you use visuals of video games and then get called out on social media? Isn't that a tad embarrassing for you?
I think, Vivekaji, sorry to say that your all the world media, intros, extras, comments are so, I think, I would say, precipitated. One starts actually laughing because there's nothing that we discussed yesterday, and there'll be nothing that we'll discuss tomorrow in case, you give us a chance. Now, coming to the, I think, military preparation, I just say, just Google what is a Bayraktar drone, Akinci. It can go to Andaman Island, where I think you have sacked Lieutenant General D.S. Rana from BNI, your defense intelligence agency, and sent him there in the Nicobar Command. So it can go twice and come back without detection, So you have your Air Force, we have latest armor like VT-5 you mentioned, I think in the intro, it's there on the ground. And our strike force is doing exercises. Basically, we are looking at Parmandal range, we are looking at Jammu, we are looking at Srinagar in case, the war starts. So we are ready. Unfortunately, Modi has become a meme in Pakistan because we are waiting and 9 days have passed and all those Bidar Bapis, actually one becomes amused that there are so many threats interferes. Daily they're going to a war which will start. Now I'll come to S. Daulat, your ex-RAW Chief Research Analysis, very respectable person. And he says same thing what General H.S. Panag said, one, you don't have capability, two, you have very bad option. And now in Punjab, Indian Punjab, first time, the civil societies come up, they have asked for 3 options. One is open the border with Pakistan, no war, and take this war to Gujarat or Rajasthan, and also they demanded Khalistan as a buffer zone. So this is, civil society. You are talking about Balochistan and KP, entire Pakistan is united. But here now you have calls coming against India, and somehow I feel that Modi media has pushed Mr. Modi into a tunnel, or I would say the rabbit hole that there is no end. You keep digging. Yeah, so that's my point.
गोदी मीडिया की आप चिंता ना करें और टनल की भी चिंता ना करें, because Mr. Modi and the media here will take care of themselves. आप ये फिक्र कीजिए that you are the 43rd economy, we are the number 5th economy. आपके पास पानी नहीं है, पानी मांगने के लिए लोग अब मार पीट रहे हैं वहां की पाकिस्तान की आर्मी को. चलिए आपके लिए तो हम फिर भी पानी भिजवा देंगे, लेकिन बाकी पाकिस्तानियों का क्या होगा आई डोंट नो. पहले आप उसकी फिक्र कर लें. दूसरी बात, यस यू आर डूइंग एक्सरसाइजेज विच इज ग्रेट. ऐसा थोड़ा सा पेट्रोल बचा के रख लीजिएगा कि जब जंग होगी तो शायद जरूरत पड़ेगी, उस वक्त आपको. हाँ जी, चाय पी लो. लंदन में बैठे हो?
मैडम
अच्छा, कोई गल नहीं, नहीं, चाय पी लो, पानी नहीं है। आप टर्की में वहां पानी की किल्लत नहीं है। पाकिस्तान चले जाइए, सिंध चले जाइए, सियालकोट चले जाइए, वहां दिक्कत है, वहां नहीं आ रहा पानी थेबो साहब। बट आनंद रंगनाथन ब्रिगेडियर साहब, ब्रिगेडियर वकार हसन खान is trying to tell us that media has put Modi in a tunnel. इन्हें बड़ी चिंता है मोदी की। ये अपना आसिम मुनीर ना संभाले पहले।
You're so obsessed with Asim Munir.
Yes, we are. Because he planned Pahalgam attack. He planned the Pahalgam attack. He planned the Pahalgam massacre, and we will get him. Uzma ma'am, please make no mistake. We will get him.
Coming your way.
We will get him.
Rafael, squad that was, flying on top of occupied Kashmir. When our JF-17 Thunders tracked them down.
Occupied Kashmir doesn't want to do anything with Pakistan. They say India is better. Anand Ranganathan, please respond to Uzma Kardar and Dr. Hussain Thebo.
Absolutely failed. We are going to get you again, just like.
Good evening. Oh yeah, again. Navika, when is the last time you got us, ma'am? When is the last time you got us? 65, 71, 1999, surgical strikes, Balakot. Please, ma'am. थोड़ी सी हिस्ट्री पढ़ लें अपनी। 93,000 prisoners of war, had to leave their trousers behind. Let me not get into the details, but Anand Ranganathan, please respond.
No honor to go through with your international commitment.
Navika, it's very difficult because I'm being constantly
people from Pakistan are difficult, and I've debated with Uzma ji a few times. You will have to exercise your lung power because she doesn't give up easily, whoever is speaking.
And if you dare to tamper
yes,
this water treaty,
it's their Punjabi against ours. So I'll continue. Navika, the fact of the matter is this. No, I really can't. Uspa ji, please don't do that. Please, because there is a, as it is, your views don't hold any water. Correction, water and water.
I know that your government has totally failed to give security to the Indians.
Uspa ji, please
Indians are up in
do
arms.
this.
I can quote Ajay Sani.
Okay, all right. I'm lowering your audio. I'm lowering your audio because Anand Ranganathan is responding. I've given you your chance, Uzma ji. You've made your point. Anand, please respond.
Navika, you see, these brickbats will continue from one side to the other. Pakistan is a past master of that. That's perhaps the only thing they're good at, reasonably good at. But the fact of the matter is that if we give proof, they will not be able to reply. Let me give you two instances. This is the country that is not trusted by its own people, by its own armed forces. And you know why? Because Pakistan is that treacherous country that refused to claim its dead and right now is refusing to claim its living. There are hundreds of Pakistani nationals who are stuck on the Indo-Pak border because Pakistan is refusing to take their nationals. And in 1999-2000, there were hundreds of dead Pakistani soldiers who sacrificed their lives, who martyred for the sake of their country in Kargil. In fact, after 6 years of Kargil war, Pervez Musharraf accepted that 425 Pakistani soldiers were killed in the Kargil war. And Nawaz Sharif accepted that they refused to take the dead bodies of their soldiers. We had to bury them. हमने bury किया, हमने इज्जत दी उनको. ऐसा ये शर्मनाक, shameless country है कि अपने martyrs को भी accept नहीं करता. क्या बोले इसके बारे में आदमी? आप ओसामा बिन लादेन, हाफिज सईद को दूर रखिए. इन्होंने अपने लोग जिन्होंने कुर्बानी दी अपने देश के लिए, उनको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया.
Trade and commerce, and we are going to resume our flights, and you are out from the picture there. Then you went to Sri Lanka and Tamil Nadu. We all know what you did there. Then in Balochistan, Kulbhushan Yadav. What was he doing here? Who was Kulbhushan Yadav? Was he in Balochistan here for a picnic? We have got him. We have got proof that you people are exporting terrorism. You are funding BLA. You are funding TTP. You are training them in Rajasthan and then sending them over. You are responsible.
The only people we are training in Rajasthan are our own soldiers. Madam, Uzma ji, India does not believe in, bringing up terrorists and sending to you. We have many other exports that we undertake, unlike your country, who has only one export item on their list, which is either donkeys or terrorists. Those are the only two things.
Uzma ji, now please give it a rest. You can't be talking continuously because anyways water is going to be scarce in a few days. So please, I'm going to ask you two simple questions and let's test if you are accurate on all those facts. Okay, you just said you made a big claim. I'll ask you two simple questions. Is Osama bin Laden, as your Prime Minister said, a shaheed? And secondly, is the earth flat or is the earth round?
Stop beating about the bush.
How am I beating about the bush? Osama bin Laden, is he a shaheed or is he an atanki? For me to take you seriously on terrorism, I need to know whether you consider Osama bin Laden somebody who's a terrorist or not. And I asked you a simple question about science. Your science is as weak as your history. Because your history is so weak, you end up saying that we got you again. The fact of the matter is, we thrashed you in 71, we thrashed you in Kargil, we thrashed you in after Pulwama, we thrashed you after Uri, and here is the evidence. Here is Niazi begging. Here is Niazi begging. Look, here is Niazi begging. Here is evidence, and this is not video game footage. This is real footage of Niazi begging for mercy in 1971.
Usma ji, while you play video games with your army people there, I want to get in RSN Singh. RSN Singh, my question to you is that they are saying we are the people who are sending terrorists. Is there a bigger joke? Has the United States of America not held Pakistan responsible since 9/11, talking about snakes in their backyard, talking about Osama bin Laden? And by the way, it is the anniversary. 2nd May 2011 was when Osama bin Laden was shot down by Navy SEALs of United States in Abbottabad, in the backyard of the Pakistanis. They are giving us lectures on how we are exporting terrorists to them. RSN Singh?
I must tell you, Mariam, madam, she reproached you for your misrepresentation of history. Now let me tell her that even Pakistan was formed by terror. What was Direct Action Day? Then 47, 1 minute, please don't interfere. 47, 48 people call it a war. It was not a war, it was a jihadi invasion. 1965 war started with jihadi invasion called Operation Gibraltar. Again jihadis were used. 1971 war in Bangladesh used 2 Jamaat-e-Islami brigades. There were Al-Shams Brigade and Al-Badr Brigade. And then this whole story of, this proxy war started from your side. So to say that only you are only, prompted and prodded by the Americans, it is totally false. It is totally false. It is intrinsic to you. ये आपके चरित्र का हिस्सा है कि दूसरों के साथ लड़ो, इर्रेगुलर्स के साथ, जिहादीज के साथ, और अपने तुम्हारी फौज मौज करती है. Now look at this brigadier. He is talking about, Bharatiyar. अरे भाई तुमने बनाया क्या वो drones? Are you manufacturing? तुम बाहर के बनाए हुए असले पर तुमको इतना ये. अच्छा साहब, ब्रिगेडियर साहब, एक बात बताइए, क्या पायलट्स उड़ाने को तैयार नहीं किया जहाज? That you are relying so much on drones? What will happen?
This is a flag operation done.
Madam,
Should I answer?
Madam,
आनंद सिंह अभी सुन लेना।
नहीं, मैं दूसरा बात एक बड़ी, हमने वाटर बॉम्ब अनलीश कर दिया है, विच इज वर्स देन अ न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब। लेट मी टेल यू, यू हैव सेड दैट इट इज एन एक्ट ऑफ वॉर। प्लीज फॉर गॉड सेक रिटेलिएट। द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ योर कंट्री इज इन डेंजर। समझ गए सर? यहां पर बरख्तियार मत कीजिए हमारे सामने आके, दूसरे के बनाए हुए। आई नो योर पायलट्स आर रिफ्यूजिंग टू फ्लाई। तो अगर बरख्तियार could change the course of war, then the Ukrainians would have won against Russia. ये क्या?
Should I answer?
Yes, please answer. Brigadier Waqar Hasan.
I think give me 2 minutes now because he got 2 minutes. One is that you're talking of indigenous production. Yes, we have number of drones which are produced by Pakistan. The other is it's man behind the gun. I know Arjun Tank. Arun Singh, sir, abhi suno na, dekho, have a hausla to listen na. तो फिर ये गलत चीज है. Because that's what I pissed off because every time there's a.
वो उज़मा जी बोल रही हैं, आप उनको चुप करा दें.
I just mentioned about indigenous production. Arjun Tank, I was a lieutenant. When we heard the Arjun Tank Banda, and you refused Indian Army, ये हालत आपकी indigenous production. Just don't lecture us on indigenous production. We have joint ventures.
All right. Many hands going up. Shehzad first, Anand coming to you.
ब्रिगेडियर साहब, आपको मैं आपकी प्रोडक्शन के बारे में बता देता हूं. आपकी प्रोडक्शन की स्थिति ये है, सुन लीजिए ब्रिगेडियर साहब सुन लीजिए. आपके प्रोडक्शन की स्थिति ये है. नाविका, आई हैव नॉट इंटरप्टेड एनीबॉडी. नाविका, आई हैव नॉट इंटरप्टेड. नाविका, my point won't be able to.
My point was not finished. I was just giving 30 minutes and that's
all right.
Point.
Okay, I give you 20 more seconds. Complete your point.
जी, तो आप कह रहे हैं एयरफोर्स पायलट्स की आज अभिनंदन वर्तमान. What happened to him? Please stop this. I would say nonsense of Indian pilots and Pakistani pilots का कोई comparison नहीं है. You come, we are waiting for last 50 years.
They crashed their own plane. They crashed their own plane. Shehzad, please respond. Please respond now, Brigadier Saab. Your fader is down. Shehzad, respond.
First of all, I hope nowhere close to your drones being the same like the jet planes we've seen on meme videos in Pakistan. So I hope it's not the same. But having said that, your production capacity is so great that we have thrown out all Pakistani imports. We don't import anything from your nation, but your nation is so gaya guzra कि आज भी 10,000 करोड़ का ड्रग्स, 10,000 करोड़ रुपए का पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स और शुगर हमसे आप इंपोर्ट करते हैं क्योंकि आपकी हैसियत वो बनाने की नहीं है. तो बाकी सब तो छोड़ दीजिए, आज भी आप लोग इस पर डिपेंडेंट हो, वरना बोल दीजिए कि हम इंपोर्ट बंद कर देते हैं. अभी बंद कीजिए इंपोर्ट. दूसरी बात मैं आपसे बताना चाहता हूं, हम लोग तो बड़ा थरथराते हैं. ये आपको याद है ना आपका स्टेटमेंट पाकिस्तानी सेनेट में बोला गया था, कांप रहे थे आर्मी जनरल और हमारे फॉरेन मिनिस्टर और पाकिस्तानी पीएम, और बोला खुदा का वास्ता अभिनंदन को छोड़ दो, बाकी सब छोड़िए. एयर मार्शल मसूद अख्तर का स्टेटमेंट, अगर हम अभिनंदन को रिटर्न नहीं करते तो बहुत खौफनाक मंजर होता, और बाकी सब छोड़िए. इमरान खान का स्टेटमेंट कि बालाकोट में जो हुआ उससे भी ज्यादा खतरनाक इंडिया प्लान कर रहा है. ये होता है डर का माहौल. इसी डर के माहौल की वजह से आज आपके सैनिक छोड़ कर जा रहे हैं. और मैं आपसे सिर्फ इतना पूछना चाहता हूं, व्हाई इज मिस्टर मुनीर्स फैमिली बीइंग सेंट अब्रॉड? Why are the top generals already abroad? Why
They've been there for the last 5 days because इन्होंने तो सोचा बम आ गया. थेबो साहब, you know why इतने खौफजदा क्यों हैं आप? अभी तो four Rafales were just doing border sorties. किसी ने आपकी तरफ देखा तक नहीं. पानी बंद किया आपका. आप इतने खौफजदा हैं कि रोज जेट एक्सरसाइज करे जा रहे हैं, अपनी फैमिलीज को बाहर भेजे जा रहे हैं. क्या हो गया?
देखिए, पिछले 10 दिन से ये सुन रहे हैं हमारे पास राफेल है, हमारे पास एटम बम है, हमारे पास ये है. तो आप आए ना, आपको कौन मना कर रहा है जंग से? आप जंग करें अगर आपकी हिम्मत है. ये जो आपने बीजेपी का गुंडा बिठाया हुआ है जो बकवास करके बैठ के बकवास कर रहा है, भाई आप आए ना तो जंग करें.
अब ये है स्थिति कि ऐसा है. सुनिए, एक सेकेंड. आप लोग बड़े इस्लाम का दावा करते हैं ना साहब. सुनिए एक सेकेंड. बीजेपी का गुंडा, आपकी पैदाइश क्या है भाई साहब? आपकी पैदाइश क्या है? पोर्क खाने वाला, वाइन पीने वाला आपका देश बना रहा था. ये जिन्ना था जो पोर्क और वाइन खाकर इस्लामिक रिपब्लिक बना रहा था. अपनी हैसियत देख लो भाई साहब. कल मुझे मत बोलना गुंडा, मैं भारत का मुसलमान हूं, पर आप लोग बताते ना हम बड़े मुसलमान हैं, बड़े इस्लामिक हैं। आप लोगों की फाउंडेशन उस आदमी ने रखी जो पोर्क खाता था, ये अपने माथे पर लिख लो। पोर्क खाने वाले ने आपका जंग किया है, आपको जन्म दिया है। पोर्क खाने वाला, वाइन पीने वाला जिन्ना।
आपको अगर शौक है आप जंग करें, आपको जंग करनी है ना, आप आए, आपको किसने मना किया?
अरे ऐसा है पैंट किसकी उतरी थी? 93,000 पैंट, ये 93,000 पैंट किसकी उतरी थी? एक चाय पिला दी तो आप बड़ा उपकार मान रहे हैं। हमने 93,000 लोगों को रोज खाना खिलाया,
अगर चाय
करवाई उनकी।
मेरे भाई अगर चाय पिला भी दी तो फिर थर-थर पैर क्यों कांप रहे थे? फिर थर-थर पैर क्यों कांप रहे थे आपके? भाई दिस वाज सेड इन द पाकिस्तानी पार्लियामेंट माय फ्रेंड। आई वांट टू उज़मा जी ब्रेक लगाएं।
था वो मसक कर दिया, बेड़ा गर्क कर दिया।
थोड़ा ब्रेक लगा लें, ओवरशूट कर जाएंगी, नेपाल पहुंच जाएगा प्लेन।
आरएसएस के गुंडे इस वक्त जाके सारे कश्मीरियों के घरों को अटैक कर रहे हैं और आपकी पुलिस इनको पुष्पनाई कर रही है, उनके बिजनेसेस को जाके अटैक कर रहे हैं।
उज़मा जी,
दुनिया को पता
ये
है
जो आपके देश में शियाओं को मारा जा रहा है, आरएसएस मार रही है। ये जो आपके देश में आगा खानी मारे जा रहे हैं उसको आरएसएस मार रही है क्या? आपके देश में बलूचिस्तानियों पर बॉम्ब गिरा है, ये इमरान खान का स्टेटमेंट है। इमरान खान का स्टेटमेंट है कि पाकिस्तानी आर्मी ने बलोचियों पर बॉम्ब गिरा है। ये जनरल टिक्का खान कहां से था? जनरल टिक्का खान कहां से था?
जीतने के लिए
जनरल टिक्का खान कहां से था? उज़मा जी, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि कान दो है पर आप उनका इस्तेमाल नहीं करती। मुंह एक है कि वही चलता रहता है और मुंह के अलावा आपके पास चलाने के लिए कुछ नहीं।
उज़मा जी, आपको पता करना है ना, अगर आपको पता करना है कि कौन मार रहा है बालूचिस्तानियों को, तो वो आनंद रंगनाथन जी प्लीज इन्फॉर्म हर। शी इज प्रोबेबली नॉट रेड द ह्यूमन राइट्स रिपोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान। इन्हें जरा बता दें, इंफॉर्मेशन कम है।
के बाद आपने एफआईआर भी लॉन्च कर दी, जबकि आपका पुलिस स्टेशन 6 किलोमीटर
पहले तो मैं देखिए, मैं उज़मा जी के साथ खड़ा रहूंगा, क्योंकि ये जो पाकिस्तानी ब्रिगेडियर है, द वे ही इज ट्रीटिंग उज़मा जी, मुझे लगता है कि ये समझ रहे हैं कि उज़मा जी बलूचिस्तान से हैं। वेरी रॉन्ग। शी इज अ फेलो पाकिस्तानी। ठीक है, बलूचिस्तान से तो क्या हुआ? आप उनको मतलब इतनी बेगैरत से ट्रीट करेंगे? नंबर 2, नाविका, मुझे पाकिस्तान की प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी के बारे में तो पता नहीं, लेकिन रिप्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी बहुत ज्यादा है इनकी। जब देखो टेररिस्ट बना रिप्रोड्यूस कर करके इधर उधर भेजते रहते हैं। यहां तक कि तालिबान ने क्या दिया है, इससे बड़ा झटका और पाकिस्तान के लिए क्या हो सकता है कि इवन तालिबान इज कॉलिंग पाकिस्तान एज अ टेररिस्ट नेशन। Navika, this is the one line that completely ends.
Their opposition leader Fazlur Rahman is saying, first fight with Taliban. They are calling you terrorists. First settle that score and then talk of anything. And look at what viewers are saying. Venkat Ramanan from Chennai, is Pakistan hiding Hafiz Saeed in army headquarters like Osama? Ankur from Mumbai asking the question, Pakistani army shielding Hafiz Saeed, but who'll shield Pakistan from India? Rishi from Delhi, fact checked by Musk, Pakistan Air Force reduced to a butt of jokes. That's the state of affairs as far as the armed forces of Pakistan are concerned. We also did a social media poll. Do we need more proof that Pakistan has terror in its DNA? A vast majority of people who have voted have said, certainly not. Certainly not. No more proofs needed. The whole world knows that Pakistan is the terror factory of Asia. It exports it. And everybody knows 9/11, 26/11. Well, Pakistan and Osama bin Laden, they are the icons of Pakistan. And who does India project? The number 5 economy compared to the 43rd economy. The country that has people like Sundar Pichai, who have various companies abroad, all the top NASDAQ companies who have Indian CEOs. इनके यहाँ से कौन आता है? Masood Azhar, Hafiz Saeed, there is Osama bin Laden, now there is Hafiz Musa, there is the Haqqani network. That's what Pakistan is famous for. Terrorists, biggest export, The next number, donkeys exported to China. That is the situation in Pakistan. Their armed forces strength being shown in the form of video games that are put out on Twitter, while in India we have Rafales, MiG-29s, we have our Jaguars, Apaches, all of them landing on expressways in India. Ladies and gentlemen, is there any comparison between Pakistan and India? Certainly not. हमने आंख लगाई है उस तरफ, इतने में पसीने छूट गए, दौड़ रहे हैं यहाँ से वहाँ, चाइना टू ईरान, ईरान टू टर्की, टर्की टू यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. भाई हमने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं, पानी का नल बंद किया है. इतनी मुसीबत, आगे आगे देखिए होता है क्या. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my guests for joining me on debate number 1.